Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the user interface on this Whirlpool Swash clothing care system. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools before you begin this repair: a 1/4 inch nut driver and a T20 Torx driver. A defective user interface will usually present itself in a sense where when you're pressing the buttons, they are not responsive, or it could start cycles on its own. To begin the repair, we're going to first remove the back panel. To begin this repair, the first thing we're going to do is just remove the drawer. Set that off to the side. Then we're going to go ahead and remove all the Torx screws around the perimeter of the back panel. All right, now that you've got your screws removed, just go ahead and remove the back panel. With the back panel removed, we can now remove the top cover. To do so, just slide it back slightly. And lift up on the back side, and that's going to release your tabs that you have underneath here. And we're just going to set this to the side. Now that we have our top outer cover removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the top inner cover. It's held on by 6 1/4 inch screws. Once the screws are removed, you can just lift the cover off and set it aside. Now with your top metal cover removed, we've got access to the user interface mounting screws. I'm going to go ahead and just open the door, and we're going to disconnect the little Molex here going to the user interface. Take out your first 1/4 inch screw here. And pull the cover off, set that aside. Now take out our other 1/4 inch screw. And once that's removed, I'm going to gently lift this away. And typically what's going to happen is that's going to fall out. Just want to remember how that goes back in. So when it does come out, it normally sits like this. Just go ahead and set that off to the side. And our user interface is removed. Now that we've got our new user interface, we're going to go ahead and install it. We're going to take the little plunger, put it down in there like that. Fold it right up. And we're going to start with just a regular mounting screw that doesn't have the shroud, just to hold it in place. Now we've got our little cardboard shroud cover here. Just going to put that in place. Put the other 1/4 inch screw in. We're going to reconnect our Molex. Now at this point, we're ready to go ahead and put the top metal cover back on. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our top metal cover. You want to make sure that when you're setting it down, your screw holes all line up and you're not pinching this hose. If you have it flipped around, then your hose is just going to get crimped when you put the metal cover back on. So you've got a little slot there that hose has to go through. And you're gonna go ahead and reinstall your 6 1/4-inch screws on the cover. Now we can put the top outer cover on. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our top cover. Set it in place and push it forward to lock your tabs. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the back panel. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our back panel. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall your 8 Torx screws. Next, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the drawer. And that's going to complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.